sorting multiple data in descending or ascending order in Excel and SPSS. Sorting multiple data in descending or ascending order in Excel. Here in this Excel sheet, I had inserted data extracted from an exam result that consists of 25 multiple choice questions, and 30 students attended the exam and answered the questions. A score of 0 or 1 is inserted. 0 means that the student had answered the question wrongly. 1 means that the student had answered the question or the multiple choice question correctly. And in the right hand column, column is labeled total score. The total score achieved by each individual student is counted and calculated by adding all the correct answers for the questions, dividing them by 25, then multiplying the product by 100 to generate 100% mark. So the first student has achieved 64% and the last student had achieved 72% for as a total mark. And to arrange the data in a descending or ascending order based on one of these columns, in this case total score, the way to do that is to click on, first of all, to select the data that we need to put it in order or ranking the data according to the total scores. Click on the ID here, then hold the shift key and then click on the last set of data or last column and then release the shift. Then press again shift control and then the below arrow to select the whole data. So it is essential to select all the data with the labels for each column or variable, or as I said here, for questions and the ID. Then to do sorting, click here on the sort and filter option and select from the menu here custom sorting. And in the custom sorting, make sure that this this my data has header, this box is ticked. And to arrange the data or rank the data from high to low, I'm going to choose the total score as the column to sort by, and then I'm going to select the order from the largest to smallest. And if I click in on OK, we will see here that the data has been ranked according to the total score from high to low. The high student has achieved 92% and the lowest is 44%. And that we can notice here, the ID has been rearranged according to the total score. So when doing sorting, it is essential to select the whole data, so all the data will be sorted together based on one of the criteria for selecting the sorting. So here we used the total score. And the same thing if we want to do the sorting. This is a descending order. We can also sort the data in an ascending order. The same thing. So select the sort by column total score, and instead of using largest, it will start from smallest to the largest. And if we click on OK, the situation is reversed. The smallest is 44 and the largest value is 92. What is essential here, the whole data are rearranged as sorted according to the total score. So this is the way to rank and arrange and sort data in ascending or descending order in Excel, data that are multiple. Sorting multiple data in descending or ascending order in SPSS. In this data view in SPSS, I had inserted a data extracted from a multiple choice question exam results for 30 students. 30 participants answered 25 multiple choice questions, and the score for each question answered by each student is given a 0 or 1. 0 for incorrect answer, 1 for the correct answer. And in this data also the total score had been calculated for all the cases or participants. And the total score is the sum of all the correct answer each individual student achieved, divided by 25 questions multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. As shown here in the total score, the first student has achieved 64%, and the last student number 30, had achieved 72% total score in this exam. And to rank or order the data from high to low based on the total marks or the total scores achieved by students, it can be done in SPSS. And the way to do that is to click on data, scroll to sort cases, as we are going to sort the cases, 30 cases. We have here 30 students, and we are going to select the total score as a sorter that will sort all that data together based on the total score. So click on total score, drag it into sort by, and then I'm going to select the descending from high to low value. And if I click on OK, the software will rearrange the data and sort them from high to low. And as we can see here, that the highest mark achieved by students in this exam is 92%, and the lowest mark is 44%. And if we notice here that the total scores are arranged from high to low, and the student ID had been rearranged based on the total score achieved by each individual participant. The same thing can be done if we want to rearrange the data based on the total score from low level to high level. Just click on data, click on sort cases, and select the total score as a sorter, and then click on ascending, and then click on OK. Again, the software will rearrange the data from the lowest to the highest, and the student's ID has been rearranged based on the total score. So This is the way to rank data or multiple data in SPSS from high to low or low to high based on the function of sort cases.